Hi folks, welcome back to Dragonfly Projects. Today is a good day. I've received my order of my Husqvarna 572 XP. I was lucky enough to find one locally and it's now arrived. So let's assemble it, let's put it together, and let's try it out and see what I think about it. Plus it was pretty awesome. They had a promotion at the dealer that if you bought a Pro saw, they gave you a full case of Husqvarna two-stroke oil. So there are 8 of these 6 packs. So I'm gonna have enough oil for a while. So I was able to find this for around $1,500 Canadian. I was debating between the 572, the Steel 462, and the Echo 7310. The Echo is usually cheaper, but for some reason right now my Echo dealer wanted the same price for the Echo as this one. Plus the Steel and the Husqvarna have auto-adjusting carburetors, and I'm not sure if they're better, but I know most people prefer Steel and Husqvarna. I do like my Echo CS590, but I wanted to give Husky a try. When I tried cutting the first of the cleanup, I borrowed a Husqvarna 550 XP, a MS 262, and a MS 361, and the feel of the Echo for me, sorry, not the Echo, the Husqvarna felt better in my hands than any of the other ones. So I decided to go with them. Went to the Steel dealer for the 462, and they had no ETA for me on when they would come in. The Echo dealer wanted just as much as this one, so it was a no-brainer for me to pick up the Husqvarna. I also wanted a full wrap, so I purchased a full wrap. It was about 50 bucks, so that wasn't too bad. So we're gonna put this thing together for the first time, and I decided to go with a 28-inch bar, which is the longest that it will take on paper stock, so that I don't have to bend over as much when I'm bucking wood, and have a bit more oomph. In my latest video where I talked about the skidding winch, I cut a maple tree with the Echo CS590, and the bar on the 590 right now is a 20-inch bar, and to be honest, it kind of struggled to cut some hardwood with a 20-inch bar, so it'll be nice to have that stronger saw to be able to handle some of the hardwoods. All right, let's put this together and then we're gonna go play with it. So once this is assembled, I'm gonna use it, cut with it. By all means, this is gonna be the opinion of a complete beginner when it comes to chainsaws. I know just enough to get them to work and just enough to be dangerous with them. I do follow Tin Man Saw's channel. Great channel, great guy. And Bucking Billy Ray also has great info about chainsaws and is a joy to listen to. All right, the last part is just to put the bar back on the bar nut. And the dog, sweet. All right, let's get the bar on here. All right, let's put some gas and oil in this saw. Let's get her started for the first time. This is much heavier than my 590 for sure. All right, let's try not to make a mess. Even though I always end up making a mess. I noticed right away when you pick it up that this saw has a lot more metal parts than the Echo. Granted, they're different categories. This is a pro saw. The Echo is a homeowner saw. The Echo is almost a third of the price of this one. Discovered this new adapter to help with spilling. Works great so far. All right, let me back you guys up and let's start it for the first time. Pumping fuel through. 5 good pushes. Choke is on. Chain brake is on. Want it to go. Click one down. Just checking to see if it's oiling. It's not oiling a lot, so I'm gonna... You can see it's nice. I drop it, it's not touching. And usually when you change the chain, it's brand new, it'll loosen, so I'll have to readjust that before I cut with it. To stop it, you just push it down. Beautiful. Let's turn up the oiler a bit. So it tells you oiler here, turning clockwise is less, counterclockwise is more. Gonna give it a little less than a quarter turn. All right. So we can see it's oiling, that's nice. I'm gonna go buck the leftover limbs that I left from the storm cleanup that are in front of my property. Buck them into firewood size chunks to move them with the tractor and give this saw a little workout. But first, let's go eat. All right, let's try out this saw. I only have one chain for it right now, so I'll try not to cut the dirt or anything, because that would suck. Another thing I really appreciate is I don't have to bend over as much to buck, which is nice when you're on the taller side. I mean, I'm not a monster, I'm 6'3", but still. The only thing going through my mind right now is, I love it. All right. think I found the reason why this tree broke in half. The middle part is all hollow. So I don't think I'll use that part for firewood. Let's see how far the infestation goes. The bottom part is infested with ants, so we'll leave that there. We'll see what the rest looks like. I'm guessing the log at the bottom there is not going to be much better since that's the bottom part of the tree. She is thirsty, a lot more than the Echo, but it's worth it. All right. Husqvarna 572 XP with a 28-inch bar. Very nice. Installed a full wrap on it. Has the bigger dog as it comes with the full wrap. This thing just eats wood compared to my 590. Much nicer. I can stand up straighter when I'm bucking, which is a lot more comfortable. And overall, it is heavier, but I wouldn't say significantly heavier. Made short work of this. I'm going to keep on going. But so far, very happy with this saw. And it'll be a nice tool to use for those bigger trees that we're giving the 590 a good workout. And should help me save those big white pines that are easily 30-inch plus in diameter. And this saw is giving me a longer reach, which is nice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks for spending time with me. If you like this video, give it a like and a subscribe. Comments in the description. If I can do something differently, if I can do something better, by all means, let me know. I'm still learning, and I like to learn from my mistakes, especially if something I'm doing is dangerous. Then let me know, and I'll try to correct it so I don't hurt myself. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.